everyone, welcome back to Altar, and this is Kalani back with a new lesson. By the way, are you busy on weekdays? And what are you doing at the weekend? Wait, why did I say on weekdays but at the weekend? What's the difference? It's a little confusing, isn't it? Well, in English language, there are certain things that you may find a little complicated. For example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Similarly, we say on weekdays, at the weekend. But don't worry thinking too much about it, because in today's lesson, I'm going to make those complicated areas simple and easy for you. Let's learn how to use the three prepositions of time: at, on, and in. Well, I'm going to give you a general idea about using the three prepositions of time: at, on, and in. If the time is specific or if it's a precise time, always use at. At 9:30 a.m., at 10 a.m., at 4 p.m., at 11 o'clock, at 12 noon. I'll see you at 9:30. Also, you say at the moment, not in the moment or on the moment. At the moment, he's a little busy. I'll ask him to call you back. And for general times of a day, like night, midday, use at. At night, at midday. At night, I'll be a little free. But you say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And for specific events like Christmas, Easter, also use at. I'm visiting my uncle in Canada at Christmas, at Easter. But you say on Christmas Day, on Easter Sunday. Also you say at the weekend and on weekdays. To talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, also use at. I'm sorry, Mr. Jones is at lunch. I'll ask him to call you back. Last night at dinner, he announced his marriage. So this is how you use the preposition at for times. On is used for days and for dates. For days like on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday. He's visiting me on Monday. And for dates, on the 28th April, on the 6th January, I was born on the 2nd January 1992. Yes, that's true. And also for special days like on Christmas Day, on Easter Sunday. You can say, there's a grand party at my place on Christmas Day. But remember, if it's Christmas or if it's Easter, always use at. At Christmas, at Easter, on Christmas Day, on Easter Sunday. In is used for a more general period of time, like for months, years, seasons, centuries, eras, ages. For months, you say in January, in February, in March. The conference will be held in March. But remember, you say at the end of March or at the end of April. For years, you say in 1995. She was born in 2005. For seasons, in the spring, in the summer, in the autumn, in the winter. I'll see you in the summer. And for centuries, in the 18th century, in the 19th century, in the 20th century, and for eras like in the Victorian era, in the modern era. In the Victorian era, woman was regarded as domestic goddess. For ages, long period of time, in Ice Age, in the Stone Age. What did people wear in the Stone Age? So this is how you use the three prepositions of time: at, on, and in. The most important thing to remember is that we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Similarly, on weekdays, but at the weekend. Well, what's the difference between on time and in time? When you say on time, you refer to a scheduled time or a fixed time. For an example, you can say, "Don't worry, I'll be there on time." Say that the meeting is scheduled to start at 9:30 a.m. So you can say, "I'll be there on time." You can say, "I'll complete this project in time." You are given a deadline. Within 3 days you have to complete it. So you can say, "Don't worry, I'll complete it in time." So this is the difference between on time and in time. So always try to learn these prepositions of time with the context that they are used in. You can easily remember that it's in the morning, in the afternoon, but at night. And also you can remember easily that it's on weekdays but at the weekend. So this is how you use the three prepositions at, on and in for time. See you again in another useful lesson. Until then, you take care.